magayonon. So, nandito na ako ngayon sa sa Amsterdam. And then, bibili kami ng Christmas tree. And then, sobrang lamig dito. Tingnan mo suot ko, oh. Tatlo yan. Meron pa akong damit sa tapos meron pa akong ganito. Diba? Oh my God! And then, ganito ang itsura niya. Oh, diba? Ang pretty-pretty. Diba? Kahit yung ganitong niya, cold. Oh, ganyan, oh. Diba? Welcome to Amsterdam. Okay, mga magayonon. I'll show you later yung sa Christmas tree. Bye! It's beautiful, yeah. And you're gonna do that here. Wow. You can jog as well. It's really... Well, there's a lot of cars.
Not preferable, yeah. Oh yeah, a lot of people jogging as you see.
Oh, Intratuim. How do you pronounce it? Time. Intratuim. Time. Time. Okay. Oh, there you go. There's a lot of Christmas tree there. Oh.
Yeah, they're all big.
Yan mga magayono, nandito na ako ngayon sa Amsterdam. And then we're doing like Christmas tree. Kasi maglalagay siya ng Christmas tree sa bahay niya. Yun ang promise niya sa akin. Anyway, so I've chosen this Christmas tree. This is actually a real. There are real Christmas tree yung dito. Alam mo, Christmas tree talaga nito o real. And it's for €39. Ayan siya. And it's super cold here right now. It's 39. Oh, it's 11 degrees Celsius. Oh my God. And then there's a lot of more trees over here. Ayan o. It's beautiful. I actually picked that tree. That's for €39. We're gonna do that now. Okay, anyway. Oh my God, look at that, cars. I'm in Amsterdam. And it's like I have 3 layers of clothes. At ito, sobrang kapal pa. Malamig pa din. Sobrang malamig. Okay. Ayun. Anyway, I'll show you more. This is my first day. Wala pa akong tulog. I'll show you more later.
So we look out, nigga. Yeah.
So they do it. Wow. Ang galing. Sobrang galing naman ng nila. Ayun, no? So it was already wrapped. So that's how they do it. They just put it there. And it's wrapped. It's a wrap. Sorry.
What?
I'm so happy we have Christmas tree.